Alright guys, what's up? Today we're going to be opening some football cards. We got that one, this one, and this one. So we're just going to start with this one. So yeah, let's just get into it. One sec, I'm going to prop the camera up. Okay. I need to figure out how to open this thing. Got it. Okay. Ooh, Lamar. Pretty good pack. Alright guys, which one should we do next? We'll do this one next. One sec, I need to get it open again. Ooh. Got it. Put that in the case. It's like I gotta sleeve this bad boy up. Take the sleeve. Ooh, look at that, Amari Cooper. I like these cards because they're all different. Jimmy Garoppolo, Bradley Chubb, AJ Brown, Devin Singletary, Braden Ayuk, DJ Chark, Ian Thomas, Kevin Law, Kyle something, another Ian Thomas, and Joe Mixon. Alright guys, it's our last one. Okay, so our first card, we got a Lamar that is definitely sleevable. Singletary. Daniel Jones. That guy. Greg Newsome. Myles Gaskin. Keenan Allen. He was doing really good. Jamin Davis. Jared Goff. That cool orange. Ezekiel Elliott. Jay Jettis. Let's go. Definitely sleeving this. Just grab a sleeve. Jim Kelly. Rick Stratton. Dax Millen. And that will be it for today, guys. And I hope you enjoyed. Tell me if you want to see more of these. And just look at all the pile of cards I have. And with that said, I'm out.